Alright, Archie, here's Uncle Tim and Aunt Robin's washing machine. I'm going to put some of our dirty clothes in it. There it goes. And then that was Josie's clothes, and here's my... I won't be able to turn the... what you see inside because I can't fix their lid. I'm putting some... this is the soap. I'm putting this in here. So it's Grandma's homemade soap. I'm going to get a couple more scoops. Alright. So there. I'm going to shut the lid. Then I'll put that right there. It's a small load. I'll do that. This is their dryer over here. You can't see it. But it's filling up. You can see that. Let's see what else I could do to make it work. Okay?